Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about finding sales tax and discount. Okay, so last week we talked about what those two things mean. Sales tax is the money that we pay to the government every time we purchase something. And then discount or markdown is money that we get to take off when a store has a sale or we have a coupon or something like that. So we're going to practice that skill today, and then we're going to be using it on our school supply shopping project. So let's start with some easy examples for each, and then we'll go to some trickier ones. The first one we're going to do for sales tax, we're going to pretend like our item is $15 and we have a 10% sales tax. Okay, the first step always in these types of problems is to move our decimal in our percent. So I'm going to find my percent, which in this case is 10. My decimal is currently right there, even though I can't see it, and I'm going to move it 2 places to the left. 1, 2. Okay, so step 1, always move the decimal. Step 2, we're going to multiply. $15 times my new number with my decimal moved. All right, this one's easy. I know that 15 times 0.10 is $1.50. So that's how much I'm actually going to pay in sales tax. This money is the money that's going to go to the government for me purchasing this $15 item. But remember, we talked when we were doing our vocabulary booklets that we don't stop there. We do our multiplication, and then we have to either add or subtract. Today, with sales tax, imagine we're at the bottom of our receipt. That sales tax is going to get added. So I'm going to take my $15, my original item, because I still have to pay for that, and I'm going to add my sales tax. $1.50 equals $16.50. Okay, so to review, we move our decimal 2 times to the left in our percent. We multiply our price times that number, and then when we get that answer, we're going to add it back to our original price. Okay, let's start with one that's a little bit trickier. You notice we have some numbers that might not give us a pretty answer, so we're probably going to want a calculator for this. So let me grab that. All right, so our price is $7.99. This is how much we're going to pay for the item. And then our tax is 7.25%. This is more like what we're going to see with tax rather than something nice like 10%. Okay, so first step, I'm going to move my decimal 2 times to the left in my percent. I already see my decimal here, so I'm going to go 1, 2. Now, if we have a blank spot like this, we're going to put something in there, and I think we all know what that is. That something's going to be a 0. It's very important that if we're moving it twice and we run out of room, that we put a 0. Okay? Step 2 is to multiply. So we're going to take our price, which is $7.99, and multiply it by 0.0725. Get all those numbers in there. This is where I'm going to type it in. $7.99 times 0.0725. Uh-oh, I get a crazy answer. We're going to round it. So I have 0.579 and on and on and on. Remember, I only need 2 digits. So I'm going to see that I have a 7 here. Look to the right. That 9 is going to bump my 7 up to an 8.
Oh no.
So I have 58 cents. Okay? Remember, we're going to go back and add that to our original price. So $7.99 plus 58 cents. I can add that without a calculator, but I'm going to do it on my calculator anyway. $8.57 is our total. All right, let's work on our discounts. So we're gonna come over here. The process is gonna be exactly the same, except this time, when we get to the second step, instead of adding, we're gonna do the opposite because discounts are great. We get to take them off of our price. Okay, so we're gonna start with our item cost. This item costs $100. I don't know what you spent $100 on, but we're gonna use it because it's a nice number, and 20% discount. So we get a coupon for 20% off. So we're gonna start the exact same way. We're gonna find our imaginary decimal, which is right here. Move it 2 places to the left. 1, 2. Okay, then we're going to multiply. $100 times 0.20. $100 times 0.20 gives me $20. So I get to take $20 off the price of the item. But this is not the amount that I'm going to pay. I have a $100 item, I'm going to take $20 off. So subtract our cost of our item minus the discount, which we found was $20. We are now going to pay $80 for our item. Pretty good deal. All right, let's do one with not so nice numbers because you know that's probably what we're gonna have today. All right, price and percent. Step 1, we're gonna move our decimal 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So now I have 0.35. We're gonna take price times percent. So $14.97 times 0.35. $14.97 times 0.35 gives me another crazy number. 5.2395 is what my calculator says, but remember we have to round. We want 2 places after the decimal. I look to the right and I see that 9 is going to bump my 3 up to a 4. So my discount is $5.24. But remember, we can't stop there. We have to do our one last step. We have to take our original price minus our discount. So $14.97 was our price. We get $5.24 off. $14.97 minus $5.24 is $9.73. Okay. So what you guys are going to be doing today is applying these 2 things to your school supply project. Okay. So you're going to go to step 2, which is calculating sales tax. You're going to find the total of your cost from each store, and then you're going to look up the sales tax for your city, which there's a link on there, and the or we will walk you through it. You are going to then be calculating sales tax just like we just did and adding it to the bottom of your receipt. Then you're going to get some coupons that you're going to be able to apply on step 3. Our goal is to get as far as we can today on this project, so work hard, good luck, ask questions if you need help.